I blow dried my hair and I needed a really quick style. So watch this quick and easy flat twist hairstyle I did on my natural blow dried hair. This was the first time I had blown out my hair in quite a few months. I think it was probably about 5 months ago when I last did this and trimmed my hair. And yes, my hair is looking like it needs a trim right now. I am in the middle of a hair challenge, so I'm kind of conflicted as to whether I want to trim it. But at the same time, hey, health is better, and I should always put health over length. So I think I probably will go ahead and do it. As you can see, I'm snagging my fingers on a few single strand knots. Thankfully, I don't have many split ends though, which is really good. But here I'm just kind of seeing what my ponytail looks like in comparison. I'm going to bring that up in a different video when I release that in the future, but you'll be able to see a comparison of how my hair has grown from now compared to the last time that I blow dried it. And so I'm just using a wide tooth comb to part my hair in two, of course, because as I said, this is literally going to be a quick, very quick flat twist hairstyle. And then again, I'm just kind of slightly combing out near the partings so that it looks as neat as possible. And so once I put one side away, then I just go ahead and begin my flat twisting on the one side. So let me know about you. Do you flat twist? Is that something that you have done before? I am actually quite new to flat twisting, but as soon as I saw it and realized how quick and easy it was, I really liked it straight away. Now, I don't do this as a usual style. My usual style is twists or plaits. But because I was styling my hair for a wedding that was coming up, I decided that I would just blow it out, and then I needed to put it in a style just in the interim. So I chose these two flat twists. Even though this is not my usual protective style, I still wanted it to be as protective or protected as possible. And so there is something that I do towards the end of the twist, which I'm going to show you shortly. Now, I have mentioned this in a previous video. I refer to it as vine wrapping, and I have heard a few others refer to it as vine wrapping as well. So I'm going to show you that shortly. But as I get towards the end of the twist, I do just like to brush through the ends just to keep it nice and flat. Now my hair, even though I have blow dried it, I did put leave-in and grease in afterwards. So there is a bit of slip, a bit of moisture to it, which is why I'm able to brush through it. Now this is vine wrapping. I folded up the end of my hair and then I'm twisting it back up my hair strand and back up and around. I don't know if that makes sense, but hopefully you saw what I mean. I'm gonna then do the second one and you'll see me do the vine wrapping again at the end of that. That's how I keep it as protected as possible. Once again, here I am about to begin the vine wrapping process to protect the ends of my hair. So here you go. You can see that I fold the last few inches of my hair back upwards, and then I twist the hair around the rest of my hair in like a spiral motion, going back up the strand. And then I kind of just, squeeze it tight, and it always stays in place. So that's vine wrapping. That prevents my ends from rubbing on my top, on whatever it is. When I do occasionally wear this style, I will always put the two strands of my hair back up. So I'll pin them up. I didn't have the pins in my hands right now, but I wanted to show you what I meant. So I just pin it up like that so that my ends, even though I have protected them with vine wrapping, I still want to protect them even more just by keeping them totally off my shoulders and away from my hands so that I don't have the ability to just have my hands in my hair all the time. And I had a little single strand knot here, so I decided to just cut it straight off. So I did mention that this was just an interim hairstyle because I was doing another hairstyle ready for a wedding. So if you want to see me styling my hair for that, and also doing a Q&A and talking about why I don't deep condition, then click this video.